Welcome back to another tip episode. Before we get into the video, Waylon. Well, today we're here at a racetrack, but a different kind of racetrack. We're doing motocross. My uncle Jimmy, he does motocross and stuff. So we're at TR. We're on the racetrack actually. We've been here earlier in the year, but yeah. So I asked my uncle if we could put a GoPro on him, and he said of course, and so thank you to him and everything. But yeah, very excited. I think we finished second or third last time. We're doing what there, but we do, this is the summer shootout thing, so yeah. But yeah, so about to go off practice, then 2 motos, so we'll catch you then, and yeah. Just got done with the practice. We had 2 practices, but Jimmy accidentally clicked the GoPro twice and did get the first one, but that's all right. But we got the second one. It looked pretty cool. But yeah, Gage will be filming on the outside, right over there, and getting that one little jump. But it's pretty cool. It's just something different. I can't really say anything because we don't have any like lap times or anything, so it's kind of weird. So but very excited. Moto 1 will come up here shortly. There's about 6 people. He's racing A and B class, so pretty tough competitors. And yeah, so first moto will be here shortly, and we'll catch you then. just got done with the first moto. It's kind of like a qualifier. There was about 6 or 7 people. Since he runs A and B, there's a true A rider, and then you got the B. My uncle's a B, but he hung with them for a little bit, finished 3rd. Waylon. Yeah. Yeah. But he looked good. But just gotta work on it a little bit more. Stop. But yeah, this is his dirt bike, by the way, number 128. He did it after my dad. He just added one. Waylon. No. But yeah. It looks very nice and everything, but yep. So we're about to get back out here. Hey, Gage. There's Gage. He'll be filming. Then there's Delilah. Delilah. She's having fun. That's my uncle's daughter. So, but yeah, I'm about to go back out. Hopefully we get a little bit of a better start. He kind of backed out right there. Didn't have a good start, but we'll see what we're doing. Yeah, so we got one more, and yeah, so we'll catch you then. moto, the second moto. He had a pretty good start. Well, he had an okay start. Just them wood riders and like full-time A riders are just really tough. He's a beast, so like I said again, but he actually did really good. Got third overall, I'm pretty sure. That's what he said. He got third overall. Felt really well, but yep. Here's his bike for the last time. Creative Motorsports did his wrap, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so very excited. I think we might be testing tomorrow. Today's Wednesday, tomorrow's Thursday. I don't know if we're going to test yet or not, but yeah. Oh, and here's my little cousin. Say hi. This is Delilah. But yeah, so can't thank y'all enough. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and everything. And Gage, come on. Hold on. So, don't forget, keep it sideways.